Welcome. Today I want to show you how to register a company or business name online, and this video will be in 3 parts. First, I will show you how to reserve your business name or company name. Second, I will show you how to register a business name and how to register a company online. Yes, I know there is someone who will see this video and say, oh, I don't need this, but it doesn't harm for you to subscribe and be part of the team. You may need this knowledge one time in your lifetime, sometime in your lifetime. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. Yes, and hit that notification bells so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, I always upload videos every week. Yes, so without wasting a lot of time, let's now go to the computer and I show you how it can be done. URSB.go.ug. It will open from this interface. Once you see this interface, you come to the menu, then on e-services, it will bring a drop down menu. Then from the drop down menu, you select business stock company registration. Once that's selected, it will bring another menu for showing you business name registration, company registration, check application status, name search, and name reservation. Yeah, but for today's video, I want to show you how you can reserve your name, your company name or business name online. But before you reserve your company name or business name online, what you do first, you first search for that name to make sure it doesn't exist or no one owns it. So you first click on name search. Once you click on name search, it will open from this tab. Then you enter these digits here. After, you just keep this name reservation number. Then you enter the business name or company name that you want to register or to reserve. Yes, so the next field is minimum similarity. The minimum similarity, the number of companies you want to see with the same similarity. So let's say we put like 5, so they will list for you the companies with such names in 5 in the list of 5. So now let's say 5 and we search. You click search, you leave it load, bring the record. Yes, as you can see, these are companies that or business names that are already registered with the similarity. We have Andrew and Family Company Limited, Andrew and Family General Enterprise, Andrew and this. So you have to make sure that your name is not similar to any of these, because once you are reserving their side, they ask you something around 4 names where they will have to choose for you the right one. So you have to list the names that you want, and you keep them searching here to see that there is no name that is related here. So once you find, like now we see Andrew and Family Enterprise. So as you can see, Andrew and Family Enterprise is already registered, so you can't register such a name. What you do, you look for, you go and search for another name. Hope that's taken well. Yeah, so before you reserve the name, you have to first come search for it to make sure it doesn't exist in the list in the system. Like now we have searched Andrew and Family Enterprises, but we realize it already exists. You get, so that one will be declined. So look for another name and make sure it's not in the system, or its similarity with the ones in the system, it's somehow different. So now, if that's done, you have searched your name and you have gotten the names that you want, you come back to the system, then business e-services, business or company registration, then you come to name reservation. You click name reservation. Yeah, before you come to reserve your name, I'd forgotten that you have to first pay. You go to the bank and pay. That is a name reservation. For them, they know you go to the bank or to mobile services. Yeah, some of the mobile people, mobile money people know how to do it. So they generate for you that PRN, which is payment reference number. You get payment reference number, because once you're reserving the name, they will ask you for that payment reference number. Yes, after searching for the name, you go pay for the name reservation. Business, for a business, if you are registering a business name, you pay 24,000. If it's a company, you pay 20,000 to reserve the name. Yes. Let's continue now. It brings you to this page of name reservation. You can read here on this name reservation guide, and you follow the steps. Yes, still loading. Yes, so that is it. You can read the guide for name reservation. It opens from this form. It looks like this application form. First, enter your names here. Enter your names. Email. Enter your email here. And phone number. Then you can enter a URSB branch near you. You select from the list. You select from the list. We have Arua, Guru, Head Office, Masaka, Nachivubo, Post Office, Uganda Investment Authority. Let me choose Post Office. So remember, these fields with red asterisks are mandatory, so you can't skip. You have to fill them. Then being promoter of the entity, the nature of the entity you choose here. If it's a company or business name that you are trying to reserve the name for. For this case, let's say business name, sub entity, if any, because that is optional. You can enter it there. Enter type. Is it a joint venture or it's a partnership or sole proprietor? So sole proprietor business name, most times it's sole proprietor, so select sole proprietor. Next, asking you change of name. Are you changing the name? No. Expiry date of reservation, that is no as well. However, it's still loading. No. Then payment details, PRN, as I've told you before, you have to first go and pay in the bank or to the mobile services, and they give you that PRN. So if it is business name, here you pay 24,000. Then here you enter your PRN. Let me enter here, but that's not correct. But however, if we have paid, they generate for you. Then attach the payment receipt. Here you click here and attach the payment receipt. So you attach the payment receipt. You see? So once that's done, attaching the payment receipt, here you enter the names that you want to reserve, starting with the one you fill, second one and the third one. Then you submit the application. get. Under this field you enter the names, 3 of them. They will select from the 3 of them. Once the first one is, they find it's already taken, they go to next. So make sure, as I've told you before, you have to search for those names and make sure they don't exist or they have less similarity with those that exist. So once you are done filling that form, you just click submit. They will send you an email with a ticket number that you'll use to follow up with your application. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you today. In the next video, I will show you how to register for a business name online. Yeah, so please, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. Make sure you like the video. Yeah, so I upload educational content every week, so please subscribe. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Yeah, so see you in the next video.
Subscribe now.